Dìdi is a feature film directed by Sean Wong, and it is set in 2008 and follows a 13-year-old boy named Chris Wayne through kind of the summer between middle school and high school as he's navigating first crush and friends and family and all of that.
If you guys need a filmer, I film.
We edited Dìdi on Premiere Pro. We specifically use Productions, which makes it so much easier for bigger projects and for the two of us to be sharing sequences back and forth.
Premiere Pro Productions really enables real-time collaboration. I can be prepping a day of footage while Arielle is cutting the previous day of footage. And then as soon as I'm done, I toss it over to her and it's like all ready to go. That's not really possible at other platforms that don't have that kind of collaboration built in.
We used Frame.io from day one. It was used for shuttling dailies back and forth from set. They were shooting up in Northern California. We were editing down in LA. From day one of shooting, we were off to the races.
We also use Frame.io for graphics reviews and VFX reviews, so us or the producers or directors could go in with a marker tool and just write exactly where the issues are, and that reduced the amount of back and forth for both teams.
I'm thinking you, come on.
I use speech-to-text to prep the dailies breakdowns for Arielle. We have these dialogue scenes with 10 takes of the same dialogue, and when Arielle is editing that scene, it's really helpful to be able to jump from all 10 readings of the same line. With text-based editing, I'd string it out into one sequence with each line of dialogue in a row.
On Dìdi, there's a handful of scenes that take place on the computer. We used Photoshop and Illustrator to build all these 2008 era computer assets and then animated these computer sequences in After Effects.
When we're trying to build out these computer sequences, we had to get so specific. Using After Effects, we're able to dial in all those bells and whistles.
Having access to all of these tools allowed us to create finished scenes that went in the final movie.
Community is the driving force of filmmaking. You know, filmmaking is both such a lonely endeavor and also the most communal art form you can have.
I'm Dìdi.
No, you're beautiful.
I love you.
No, I love you.
Filmmaking as a medium is so technical as well as creative. You really need a assortment of people that are really left-brained and really right-brained, and you need them working together and sharing ideas.
That collaboration and creativity extends heavily into the post-process. It's so fun to get to sit in a room and work with people that you love to help bring a story to life. Sometimes I'm just like, wow, you will let us do this for work. That's cool.
It's crazy, yeah.